Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make your YouTube channel private in 2020. Pretty simple and easy to do. So you're just going to go over to your main homepage on your YouTube on your computer, and you just want to go over to your profile photo in the top right corner, click on that, and just click on YouTube Studio. And that's going to open up your YouTube Studio here. Once you're on that, you're going to want to go down to the settings on your YouTube Studio. And then you're going to want to go over to Channel, and then to Advanced Settings. Then if you scroll down, you'll notice there's an option here, other account settings to delete or hide your channel. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to ask you to sign in to your Google account. So you want to go in and confirm the password. And then once you confirm your password, you can choose either from you want to delete your content, or if you just want to hide your content. Totally up to you what you want to do here. So if you're just looking to make it private, you just want to hide it for now, you just click on the down arrow here, and then you could choose through some options right here to hide your content. So one option is the following will be made private, just the one playlist, or your complete channel page, your channel name, your channel art and icon, and your likes and subscriptions. So it depends how much and how private you want to be, just your videos, or do you want to be completely like a ghost on YouTube? So you want to go through, read these options, and choose what you would like to choose. But this is where you change it. Once you decide, just click hide my content, and you'll be all good to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you how to make your YouTube channel private. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.